The Florida Semiconductor Institute just had their annual conference. Let's learn more about it. Volker, tell us a little bit more about who you are and what you do.
My name is Volker Soder, and I'm the Ryan Sindel Professor at the University of Florida in the Electrical Engineering Department. And I'm also the Deputy Director of the Florida Semiconductor Institute for Strategic Initiatives.
So tell me a little bit about the conference that just happened.
The conference is a mega conference. It's the premier conference in Florida for semiconductors. It convenes all stakeholders related to the entire ecosystem. It is a place of vision, of celebration, of successes, but it's also a conference and a place of planning the next steps and growing together.
So what are some of the important conversations that were had at this conference?
The conference focused on innovation verticals, one of which, for example, is advanced packaging. Florida explicitly is positioning itself as specialty electronics. How do all these systems and chips are built together and implemented together? How do we become better partners? How do we build on the strengths that we have? And how do we leverage unique assets that we have? For example, the New York City area is a shovel-ready pad where semiconductor fabs can find their new home. The STEM education school are feeders into this ecosystem. And these successes, we are really ready to scale up and to move the needle ahead.
So what is the future outlook for this conference maybe next year?
We're very ambitious with our growth. There's so much momentum in Florida and in the overall ecosystem. And with the close to 500 participants this year, we are expecting maybe 750 and up to 1,000 in the next 1 or 2 years. In fact, in terms of job creation, I'm happy to share Florida has been now named #1 workforce in the nation. A goal that we had set out for in about 2030, we already reached now, and so we're very proud to be part of this ecosystem and helping it.